Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can install the Rampage Trainer on GTA 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install Rampage Trainer on your GTA easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Rampage Trainer GTA 5, you're going to go into this second link from nexusmods.com, you're going to click on download manual right here, click on Alexander Blades script hook. You need to download this file as well and then open it up. Also download Rampage Trainer from here. Click on slow download. You may need to log in with your account. If you don't have an account, just create an account. It takes like a minute. And once you download both of those WinRAR files, then what you're going to do is you're going to just copy all of these files except for the native trainer.asi and extract them to your GTA's directory. So right here, you're going to press OK then. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to paste Rampage Trainer there. Here it is. Just go ahead and copy both of these files and extract them into your GTA's directory just like you did with script hook. Press OK on here. And now you can go ahead and enjoy your Rampage Trainer in GTA 5. So there it is guys. That's how easy it was. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.